हरे कृष्णा माता जी दंडवत प्रणाम।
Let us pranam, beta. Okay, so let us start now. Let me share the screen. So we welcome all of you for this wonderful course on Shloka Mastery. Okay, I was really happy to see the enthusiasm of the
और
kids
मेरी स्क्रीन का है।
wanted to learn, who are interested in learning all the 700 shlokas of Bhagavad Gita. Okay, so the course starts today, and
माता
I know
जी
some of you have challenges in terms of your school timings and all. We'll see how we can take your practice sessions because you have your tuitions and all. I do understand all that. We will try to accommodate as much as possible. Okay. So because we want everyone, each child should be learning shlokas of Bhagavad Gita. So we'll try to accommodate. We will see if we can have evening sessions also for those who are missing.
हरे कृष्णा माता
But
जी।
as of now, we will start with 5:30 to 6:30. Okay. So please find out a little time and join the sessions. Also, initially, you might find it a little difficult. Okay. Chapter 1, you listen very carefully. Everyone should listen very carefully. Chapter 1, initially, you might find it a little difficult. But once you start getting a knack of how to read the shloka, then it will become very easy. It is just about getting the knack of reading the shloka. Okay? And everyone should have their copy of Bhagavad Gita. So everyone should have the copy of Bhagavad Gita with them. Bhagavad Gita as it is by uh, Prabhupada. Okay. So many of the parents asked me, ki, we do have copy. Yes, very nice, Rohit. Very nice. So many of them are asking कि क्यों चाहिए भगवत गीता अभी आप तो सिखा ही रहे हो लेकिन ऐसे बोलते हैं कि स्कूल में कि मैं साइंस का बुक नहीं लाऊंगा आप तो सिखा ही रहे हो राइट स्कूल में वी डोंट गिव दोस एक्सक्यूजेस because school we take it very seriously then why not we take Krishna seriously. Okay, so please have your own copy of Bhagavad Gita, make notes, underline, yeah, if you get stuck. Yes, very nice, Druvika. Underline, read the translations, read the purports, okay? And here we will teach you shlokas with the meaning, okay? So we
हरे
don't want
कृष्णा
to become
माता जी
parrots.
दंडवत प्रणाम।
We don't want to become parrots. We want to become nice, loving devotee of Krishna. Hmm? So let us start. Hare Krishna. So let us start with the shlokas now. Yeah. Okay, shloka chapter 1, verse 1. धृतराष्ट्रवाच धृतराष्ट्रवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेता समवेता युयुत्सवः युयुत्सवः मामकः मामकः पाण्डवाश्चैव पाण्डवाश्चैव किम् अकुर्वत किमकुर्वत संजया संजया धृतराष्ट्रवाच धृतराष्ट्रवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकः पाण्डवाश्चैव मामकः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जया किमकुर्वत सञ्जया. So Dhritarashtra means Dhritarashtra said. What did he say? Now he's talking with Sanjaya. Sanjaya is looking at he can see everything what is happening on the battlefield. So he's saying, Oh Sanjaya, after my sons and sons of Pandu assembled in the place of pilgrimage at Kurukshetra, Why have they assembled? They have assembled to fight. After coming there, what did they do? Is asking. Okay. Next shloka. 1.2, chapter 1, verse 2. Sanjay Vacha. Sanjay Vacha. दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकम् दृष्ट्वा तु दृष्ट्वा तु दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकम् 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 व्यूढम् व्यूढम् दुर्योधनास् दुर्योधनास् तदा तदा आचार्यम् आचार्यम् उपसंगम्य उपसंगम्य आचार्यम् उपसंगम्य राजा राजा वचनम् वचनम् अब्रवीत् अब्रवीत् संजय वाच संजय वाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकम् दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकम् व्यूढम् दुर्योधनस्तदा व्यूढम् दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यम् उपसंगम्य आचार्यम् उपसंगम्य राजा वचनम् अब्रवीत् राजा वचनम् अब्रवीत् Sanjay said, Sanjay is replying to whatever question Dhritarashtra is asking. He's saying, O king, after looking over the army arranged in the military formation by the son of Pandus, like on the football field or even on the cricket field, we arranged all the players, right? That you will field here, you will be in this location, you will be at the striker level, you will be at the defense level, right? So, like all this military and all the army was arranged in different locations. So, after looking at the army arranged in a military formation, by whom? By sons of Pandu, King Duryodhana went to his teacher and he spoke the following words. So, Duryodhana went to Dronacharya and he spoke a few words. And what did he speak? Is there in the next shloka. And point 3. Pashyetam, Pashyetam, Pandu, Pandu, Putranam, Putranam, Pashyetam, Pandu, Putranam, Acharya, Acharya, Mahatim, 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 Chamum, 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 Vyudham, Vyudham, Drupada, Drupada, Putrena, Putrena, Tava, Tava, शिष्येण शिष्येण धीमता 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 पश्येतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् पश्येतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्य महतिं चमुम् आचार्य महतिं चमुम् व्यूधां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येन धीमता तव शिष्येन धीमता. So Duryodhana is asking his teacher Dronacharya, "Oh my teacher, behold the great army. Yeah? Look at the great army of Pandavas. They are so expertly arranged. By whom? By an intelligent disciple, son of Drupad. Yeah, he was very, he was a Drupad, basically the son of Drupad was going to kill Dronacharya. Yeah, so it was his, he had, Drupad had arranged, like I told, right? He had arranged a yajna to get a son who will kill Dronacharya. And then Dronacharya trained the son of Drupad because Dronacharya was a teacher. So he didn't discriminate. So he's saying, see, you trained that son of Drupad and now he's so expertly arranged, yeah, the great army of Pandavas. Okay. So you all can practice this. Hare Krishna.